Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put white background on Instagram story. So first step you need to do is to open any browser and click on white background and you simply need to download white background. Once you done that, you simply need to open the CapCut app in your smartphone and open the new project. From here you need to select the photo that you already download. So select that. I want one, click on add. So once you add it, here you can see that, and you can increase the length from here by selecting it and increase the length. So once length is increased, you simply need to click on overlay, click on add overlay and add the video on it. So I'm going to add a video from here. So select this one, click on add, and you can make it bigger if you want. So let me make it a little bit bigger and then show you the final results. And after that you need to click on export. Once you done that, you simply need to post that onto your Instagram story. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.